Dive into the world of travel with health as your compass. Embark on your next adventure equipped with the best tips to keep you feeling great from takeoff to touchdown. Jet lag can turn a dream vacation into a groggy ordeal. Ease into new time zones by adjusting your sleep schedule before departure. Heading east? Hit the hay earlier. Westward bound? Stretch those evenings. And remember, sunlight is your rhythm regulator. Hydration is your travel superpower. A trusty water bottle is your sidekick, fighting off the dry air at 30,000 feet. Skip the in-flight cocktails and caffeine. Water is your best bet to beat travel fatigue and keep your immune system in check. New places mean new germs. Keep illness at bay with vigilant hand washing and a trusty bottle of sanitizer. Vaccinations are your shield against more serious threats, so arm yourself accordingly. Never underestimate the power of sleep. It's the fuel for your travel engine. Pack those earplugs and eye masks to turn any space into a sleep haven. When insomnia strikes, breathe deep and let calming sounds guide you to dreamland. Don't let travel cramp your style or your muscles. Stretch, stroll, and swim your way through trips. Every step, every stretch keeps your energy up and jet lag down. Tempting treats will call your name, but balance is your mantra. Fresh, fibrous, and protein-packed is the way to go. Listen to your body's hunger signals and savor every bite mindfully. Stress can sneak up on you, so pack your peace of mind. Breathe, meditate, and carve out moments for joy. Plan to avoid panic and remember to recharge. In the end, your health is your passport to the world. With these tips, you're set for a journey that's as healthy as it is memorable. Here's to happy, healthy travels.